Hello everyone, today we will test the waterproof performance of Huawei Mate30 Pro. This time, Huawei Mate30 Pro uses a 6.5-inch hyper-curved ring screen with a resolution of 2400 by 1176. Opening the box, in addition to the regular charging cable and plug, a headset was also included with the machine. The highlights of the screen are the 88 hypersurfaces on both sides. When the screen is lit, the left and right sides look like there are no bezels when viewed from the front, which is more immersive. In terms of taking pictures, the rear 4-shot super-sensitive Leica lens makes the photos look very textured. Huawei Mate30 Pro is an official IP68 waterproof phone. Let's see if it reaches the official level. When we drop water on the screen, the hyper-curved screen adds an oleophobic layer, allowing the water to slide smoothly. After rippling in the water, the performance of the phone was not affected in the slightest. For the front and back showers, the Huawei Mate30 Pro is still normal, and the screen is not difficult to control because of water droplets. Even throwing the phone into the water did not affect its smoothness. Next, we put it in 1.5 meters of water for half an hour and see if it will enter the water. If you want to see other mobile phone waterproof tests, please leave a message to tell us. Don't forget to click on Ding Ding Dong. You can receive our information as soon as possible. After half an hour, we took out the mobile phone. It was shocking that we did not see any air bubbles during this half hour, and the mobile phone operation was still normal. Let's look at the water in it. After half an hour of soaking in the interior of Huawei Mate30 Pro, there are basically no small drops of water inside. This is an IP68 waterproof phone.